In this video, I will show you how to write a select distinct statement in SQL. To start with, let's throw in our select statement. Select. Then we'll put in our distinct. And here, I want to select the 16th job title from the human resources.employee. So I'll throw in my job title. And I'll do enter from the adventure works dot human resources dot employee. So let's give it a run. You can see the output gave us a distinct job title from this database object. So let me show you something. If, for instance, I throw in another column named the gender, let's do the gender, and I give it a run, you can see for the gender, we have female and male. And for each of the gender type, we're going to have a distinct job title for each of the gender. So this is how to use a distinct statement in SQL. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.